Halo sahabat Poska yang ada di rumah, balik lagi bersama saya Sylvia Utariliani. Nah, pada podcast kali ini kita akan membahas terkait lembaga bahasa yang ada di Politeknik Sekayu. Seperti yang sudah teman-teman lihat, di sini Sylvia sudah bersama dua narasumber yang tentunya berkompeten di bidangnya, khususnya bidang bahasa, terkhusus lagi di bidang bahasa Inggris. Nah, jika teman-teman bisa rasakan atmosfer di dalam ruangan atau di dalam laboratorium ini English banget loh. Jadi kita akan ngobrol-ngobrol pakai bahasa Inggris ya, Miss.
Iya.
Oke. For the first things, before we start our podcast, I would like both of you to introduce ourselves first.
Wow, thank you Miss Sylvia. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi
Waalaikumsalam.
guys. So let me introduce myself. My name is Messi Arti and now I am the head of English Language Laboratory. And next.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo sahabat Polsky, I'm Miss Berti and now I'm being as the staff of English Language Laboratory of Politeknik Sekayu.
Okay, so I called you Ma'am Messi and
Yes.
Miss Berti,
Yeah.
and don't forget to call me Miss Sylvia, ya?
Yeah.
Okay, for the first question, I would like to ask Ma'am Messi about what is language laboratory and how is the history?
Well, Politeknik Sekayu is one of the institutional in the field of academic and which aim to educate best students for a better future. And for supporting this best achievement, they are a professional instructor and staff, and also a good facilities to support teaching and learning process. By having this both, it must be synergized to get best graduate, which will be needed in the field of work. One of the facilities that we have is technical implementation in English language. And next, Miss Sylvia, for the technical implementation in English language was established on January 2017 based on the official letter of Director of Politeknik Sekayu. And for the information that it has been changed into language laboratory on February 2021. And for your information that this building was from the program of CSR from Medco in 2009. And then language laboratory is institutional support system in Politeknik Sekayu which aim to realize the achievement and the vision, become a center of English and then practice learning and development.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, that's a brief history and what is the language laboratorium in Polsky. For the next question is, what is the purpose of this language laboratorium?
Well, so in language laboratory, we have vision and also the mission.
Okay.
For the vision, it's becoming appropriate and integrated language center for all members of Sekayu Polytechnic.
Okay.
And also for the mission, the first, we provide the effective teaching and learning process, and then we also provide a English training,
Yeah.
and then the last one we also provide a English course,
Okay.
and finally from me, as the good information that Politeknik Sekayu has already signed the memorandum of understanding on
March.
on
2000.
March 8, 2018, and with Indonesian International Education Foundation, or we know as IIEF, from PTS America, and the certificate is already recognized as a national and also international. And the main point that Politeknik Sekayu as one of the official tester in South Sumatra and for become one and only in Sekayu Musi Banyuasin
Regency.
Regency. So Come on, guys. You can take the TOEFL ITP test in Polytechnic Sekayu without to go out of our regency.
Okay, ma'am, thank you for your information that has given. And for the next question, I would like to ask Miss Bertie about what are facilities available in English laboratory in Polskai.
Okay, thank you Miss Sylvia for the questions. And sahabat Polskai out there, that English Language Laboratory of Polytechnic Sekayu has many facilities that are very important in the teaching and learning process, especially in English.
Okay.
So in here, we have some facilities related in the basis of computer, and we also have the air conditioner, and then we also have the tools and media, even it is in the audio and then also in the visual. So it's very complete if we want to learn language in the form of English, and then with the varied media and tools in here.
Okay, the existing facilities support the teaching and learning, and of course, it's very, very comfortable.
Yeah.
Okay, the next question is, what kind of product do in language laboratory has for supporting academic system in Polskai?
Okay, Miss Sylvia, thank you for your question.
Okay.
So what Ma'am Messi already stated before, that English Language Laboratory of Polytechnic Sekayu has some products in accordance in the form of supporting the academic system in Polytechnic Sekayu itself. So we have 4 main point of our products. Okay, let me say the first one is test TOEFL, or TOEFL ITP test, and then the second one is POLSLIAT, All Polytechnic Sekayu Language Institution English test, and then the third one is Flash and Belief course, and then the last one that is a TOEFL ITP preparation class. So let me explain one by one of them. Okay. To all the sahabat Polskai out there, that what I have already said, that we have 4 kinds of product of Polytechnics of English Laboratory of Polytechnic Sekayu. So the first one is test TOEFL ITP. So we have already being the official tester of test TOEFL ITP in South Sumatra globally, and Sekayu Musi Banyuasin especially. So if you want to get or you want to measure how far your English proficiency, you can come and then join our test TOEFL ITP in here. And then for the second product, we have POLSLIAT, or Polytechnic Sekayu Language Institution of English test. So it is like Miss Sylvia, it is like a TOEFL prediction. So if you want to try your English proficiency first before you join the TOEFL ITP test, you can choose this second product. So it's like a TOEFL prediction. And then for the third, we have Flash and Belief course. So Flash itself is an abbreviation of Fun Learning with English, and then Belief is Be Live with English. So these 2 programs are different each other. For the Flash, we will learn how to use English as basically. We will learn how to greet, and then how to introduce ourselves, and then we will learn how to spell, and then we learn some vocabularies related to the English as related to English, of course. And then for the course of Belief,
Miss Betty, maybe we should inform to the sahabat Polskai out there that for the Flash, it's more focused on elementary and also primary school. And then
Okay. And then for the Belief course, so it's an abbreviation of Be Live with English. So we want to make the students to be able to be familiar their life with English in daily life. So we will learn how to speech in front of the public, and then how we to becoming how to be a new anchor, and then speech contest, or we will storytelling, and many more. And for the last, we have TOEFL ITP preparations class. So in here, we will learn about the tips and also the trick and also the strategy in answering the TOEFL. So we will be easy, and then we will can manage our time while we have the TOEFL ITP test.
Okay, thank you Miss Bertie for your information. So guys, don't forget, if you want to test TOEFL and Pulse Light and whatever don't forget to join in Polytechnic SKYU.
Yeah.
Okay, okay ma'am and Miss, is it enough?
No.
Okay.
Wait. Actually, Miss Sylvia, we have
Okay.
keyword for this language laboratory.
Oh, yeah.
What is
What?
that? What is that?
That is
Yeah.
English Laboratory. Prepare for your best future with us.
Okay, prepare for your
Best future with
best
us.
future with us. So, okay, thank you, ma'am and Miss, for your
Thank
information
you.
that has given. Hope it is very useful for friends who watch at home. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.